In this video, I'll show you how to delete a post on Facebook using the mobile app step by step. If you've shared a post, photo, or video that you no longer want on your timeline, deleting it is quick and easy. This method works for both Android and iPhone. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Go to your profile page by tapping your profile picture or name. Scroll through your timeline to find the post you want to delete. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. From the menu, select Delete Post. Facebook will ask you to confirm. Tap Delete again. Your post will be removed immediately and will no longer be visible to anyone on Facebook. If you want, you can repeat the same steps for any other posts you want to remove. That's it. That's how you quickly and easily delete a post on Facebook using your mobile app. If this video helped you, leave a comment below, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more Facebook and mobile tutorials.